A compost spreader is a great tool for any lawn. It will keep your yard looking fresh and green all year round by applying the right nutrients to the soil. This video will give you some tips on how to choose the best one for your needs. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you 5 best compost spreader for lawn 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Time to Grow brand. Assembles in minutes, without the need for tools. Comes with instruction sheet and link to an instruction video. You'll be able to use your new peat moss spreader within 5 minutes of receiving it. Unlike competitors, we've taken the time to upgrade our peat moss roller spreader to incorporate super heavy-duty butterfly latches so they'll never come loose. Ever. If you're reviewing spreaders for lawns and top dressing rollers, this is a standout. Competitor handles wobble with a single attachment pivot point. The Time to Grow peat moss spreader handle is designed to remain sturdy after years of operation, making it the ideal compost spreader of choice. With diamond-shaped holes measuring ½ inch by ¾ inch, they allow for even, consistent spread of top dressing material. Your new lawn spreader evenly distributes compost, manure, dirt, peat moss, and other top dressing materials to nourish, feed, and help prevent weeds in your lawn and garden. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Number 4 in our top is from the ZANGEROI brand. This compost spreader for lawn can distribute any top dressing materials to pamper your lawn or garden more luxuriant. Just install the handle, add top dressing materials, lock the latches, and roll peat moss spreader for lawn. This intensive diamond-shaped mesh opening allows for even and consistent spread of top dressing material on your lawn or garden. The manure spreader will consume less top dressing material, which means saving your money. This lawn spreader breaks up large chunks, leaving behind any large unwanted residual in the drum for disposal. The garden spreader can save you from a long time bending over for the work. These lawn and garden spreaders make the whole top dressing process more efficient. The adjustable pole is designed to meet different height requirements. Hinge door with 3 locking clasps can be opened easily for filling top dressing materials and stay closed during use. For protection against rust and corrosion, our all-iron compost spreader for lawn is heat-treated with powder-coated finish. Comfort grip handles make lawn care even more relaxed. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the EzzDoo brand. The latest side latches design is critical to avoid itself being crushed, because other frontal latches are easily damaged by the mesh during rolling. EzzDoo focuses on every product details for your 100% satisfaction. With the rolling mesh design, the larger chunks will separate it and spread evenly on your lawn through the mesh when in a roll, much easier and faster than using shovel. You just have to push it gently along the lawn for a few minutes and the job is done, while the traditional way is inefficient and often lead to back strain. It's time to get rid of shovel or Levlon tool once and for all. Since we doubled the thickness of the mesh, this sturdy mesh has become stronger and diamond-shaped ½ inch by ¾ inch opening slits that keep uniform and consistent spreading of compost and peat moss. It's critical for lawn top dressing to nurture your lush professional-looking grass. In addition to stainless steel, the entire product is painted with metal powder, the best process of metal painting. So you don't have to worry about rain erosion or sun exposure. The most durable lawn spreader is here. Buy with confidence with EzzDoo's lifetime warranty. Number 2 in our top is from the Walensee brand. All high-quality steel construction and powder-coated finish make the compost spreader is sturdy and durable, The metal mesh basket surface is heat spray treated to prevent rusting, corrosion resistant, and long-lasting. With the upgrade T-handle to avoid broken and makes it more durable and sturdy. Lightweight material makes lawn care even more enjoyable and easy to transport. Ergonomic rubber handle grips for non-slip and comfortable. Walensee spreader is convenient to use. Install the handle, add compost, lock the latches, and roll it on your lawn. The manure spreader can run smoothly on different terrains, such as slopes, uneven surfaces and others. With T-handle, it's convenient to push and pull. The design with convenient push or pull provides multifunctionality for rolling narrow areas or empty spaces. The rounded drum ends help avoid damage to your lawn when turns. The peat moss spreader can break up the clumpy materials while tumbling, ensuring an even flow and spread of product on the lawn or garden. Its intensive mesh openings can leave the bigger chunks of debris in the spreader. This soil lawn spreader equitably distributes compost, manure, dirt, peat moss, and other top-dressing materials to plant, feed, and weed your lawn and garden. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And finally, the #1 product in our top is part of the Landzie brand. Landzie is your go-to source for a lush, professional-looking green lawn this season. Our walk-behind top-dressing roller pampers and nurtures your grass, providing essential nutrients to plant, feed and weed for your lawn, flowers, plants, and gardens. Use for compost, peat moss, topsoil, top-dressing, manure, mulch, dirt, greenery, and so much more. The lawn you've always desired is now only a click away. Stop spreading top dressing with a shovel and start using a Landzie. Our rotary trommel compost sifter tool evenly distributes peat moss and soil across your yard, drastically reducing waste and saving money on bulk purchases of peat moss or other materials. Traditional methods of spreading are inefficient and often lead to back strain, which can cost the user days or even weeks of work. Avoid delays and get the job done with a Landzie spreader. Drastically reduces the hassle and mess of spreading peat moss by separating larger chunks from granular material as it tumbles and stirs throughout the metal mesh screen cage drum. The hinge door swings open for easy filling. Double locking clasps secure the load, ensuring the basket stays closed during turning and tumbling operation. Which compost spreader would you like to buy for lawn? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.